And now let us see at used in the place. At is used in description of or describing a place or a position. So for example, at plus exact address. When we are talking about the exact address, then we use at as a preposition of place. At plus exact address, that is at Baker Street or at 33 Cross, Ramnagar. Generally these kind of addresses are being painted on the roadsides, where we can see even the preposition at. At plus specific location or a point, for example at the corner of the city or at the bus stop, then we say that, when we mention that specifications or when we mention that specific place, then we use the word at as a preposition of place. So in this video we have learnt about in, on, at as a preposition of time and place, and these are the most critical words which generally we make mistakes in the usages. So most of the people who speak English go with prepositional errors, and those prepositional errors are generally these words. So this is the easiest way to understand these three prepositions, these three words in different formats. Thank you, and for more videos please subscribe our channel, and for further updates please click on the bell symbol. Thank you.